Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to book FIFA World Cup 2026 tickets. So if you want to attend World Cup matches live, just follow along. First, go to the FIFA.com and sign in to your FIFA account. If you don't already have one, create a new account. Next, head to the tickets section on the website. When the ticket sales are open, browse the available matches and then select the game you want to attend. After that, choose your preferred ticket category and number of the tickets you would like to book. Then enter any required attendee information and review your selection. Now proceed to the payment page and complete your purchase using one of the available payment methods. Once the booking is successful, you'll receive a confirmation email from FIFA. You can later return to FIFA.com, sign into your account and view your tickets under My Tickets or Ticket Management. Keep in mind that the demand for World Cup tickets is extremely high, so booking early can improve your chances of getting the matches you want. Also, only book tickets using FIFA.com and the official FIFA ticketing channels to avoid scams and invalid tickets. So that was how to book FIFA World Cup 2026 tickets. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.